लाइफ में कुछ भी बन जाना लेकिन ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट कभी मत बनना। एज यू गाइज कैन सी आई एम इन अ डिफरेंट सेटिंग, एक अलग सी सेटिंग में है, हम एक अलग शहर में हैं। आज मेरे पास सब कुछ है इंक्लूडिंग माई माइक दैट आई रिमेंबर टू कैरी, लेकिन जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है मेरी लाइफ की उसे मैं भूल गई, एंड दैट इज माई स्किन केयर बैग। वेरी कन्वीनियंटली एक स्किन केयर पाउच मैंने पैक किया था जिसमें कुछ बेसिक प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं फॉर लाइक अ 1 डे ट्रिप, एंड भूल गई मैं उसे। सो अभी मुझे रिलाई करना है नाइट टाइम स्किन केयर रूटीन के लिए उन प्रोडक्ट्स पे जिन्हें मैं जानबूझ के डैड के घर पे छोड़ देती हूँ। मतलब दीज आर प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आई एम लाइक ठीक है, आई डोंट रियली नीड इट, या मैं भूल जाती हूँ। मतलब मेरा प्रेफर्ड स्किन केयर रूटीन या मेरे प्रेफर्ड स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स मेरे पास नहीं है, और इसलिए आज मैं आपको करके दिखाऊंगी मेरा नाइट टाइम स्किन केयर रूटीन। स्किन केयर रूटीन व्हेन यू हैव नो स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स, व्हाट डू यू डू? हेलो हेलो एंड वेलकम टू स्किन केयर सिंप्लीफाइड। मेरा नाम है निपुन, आपकी स्किन केयर बेस्टी एंड अ सर्टिफाइड स्किन केयर कंसल्टेंट। Today's video is a little hatke. Like I said, I don't have my regular skincare products with me. In fact, I have very random products with me. So we're gonna do my skincare routine when we have no skincare. Let's get started. Like and subscribe if you enjoy science-packed skincare content. I create new videos every single day here on YouTube. Skincare Simplified is the only channel on planet Earth जहाँ आपको मिलते हैं detailed skincare routines. And if you want me to review your routines, you want to talk to me in a close community, you can join the channel memberships. Now let's get this started. I'm also running a little bit of fever. October has been a really busy month for me, and ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ है कि मैं अपने content में इतना पीछे lag कर रही हूँ। Like you know, I'm literally making content, posting. मेरा batch shooting process नहीं हो पा रहा है. Things have been really haywire, but we're already into November, and I'm hoping by the time I get back to Dubai, things get like settled a little bit. Anywho, let's get started. So the most important thing जो हर स्किन के रूटीन में होती है मेरे, और जो मैं हमेशा रेकमेंड करती हूँ आप सबको कि आपके पास होनी चाहिए, वो मेरे पास नहीं है, and that is a cleansing oil and a cleansing balm. I have nothing with me to double cleanse my face. Facial wipes हैं मेरे पास डेटॉल के जो मैं यूज नहीं करूंगी obviously. So let's see what we're going to use today. So we have two things. We have this Dove bar soap, and I have this sachet, the Tatcha Deep Cleanse Balancing Exfoliating Cleanser. मेरे पास ताचा के बहुत सारे सैशेस यहाँ पड़े हुए हैं. आई एम प्रीटी श्योर आई गॉट देम फ्री, एंड मैंने फिर इधर छोड़ दिए थे. अब हम डबल क्लेंस नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव अ क्लेंजिंग बाम और अ क्लेंजिंग ऑयल. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू क्लीन माई फेस ट्वाइस. आई थिंक आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस फर्स्ट गीले चेहरे पे, and then I'm going to go in with the Tatcha because I have a lot of mascara, a lot of makeup. I'm hating this. Let's do it. तो उम्मीदों के साथ we are getting started with the Dove bar because बचपन से हम देखते आए हैं कि Dove is not a soap. This is actually a moisturizing cream bar. और अगर ये इतना ही moisturizing है and creamy है तो ये मेरी आंखों को क्यों irritate कर रहा है? It's really tearing me up. And eyes पे ही मुझे focus करना है because as you can see I have tons and tons of makeup. This is tearing me up. This is terrible. I think I have cleansed my face with a bar of soap after 6-7 years, maybe 10 years, because और कुछ नहीं तो एक basic face wash तो I would always use. The good part about Dove, like the Dove का thing, is that it's not drying. So even now I don't feel my skin is drying, but I'm a little worried because I have a bit of an acne situation happening here, and I don't want it to flare up. But I'm still going to go ahead and we're going to do the second cleanse with the Tatcha sachet, and let's see how that goes. It just feels like a regular face wash. I don't know. It has these little mini beads, and maybe that's why they call it exfoliating. And it is exfoliating, but like it doesn't feel anything special. So yeah, let's see. So when we talk of an anti-aging routine, right? Especially your anti-aging nighttime skincare routine, cleansing your face is the most important. Your toner, serum, whatever else you can do additional is great, but cleansing is most important. And as you can see, जो most important step था वो मैंने कुछ ऐसे ही किया है. Now for my second step, I don't have a toner. I can't find one. I don't have a toner. I don't have a serum. I do have a serum, but it is this BioEffect ka peptide serum, which I'm not sure if I want to use at this point. So basically, I don't have a serum, but I do have these two products. So I have a tretinoin, जो expired नहीं हुई है. I have checked, and I have this Neutrogena spot controlling, जो actually new है. This was in my laptop bag somehow. This made it. So I have these two options. Now, if I apply my tretinoin, I don't have anything to pair it with like a niacinamide. I do have a peptide, but यहाँ एक थोड़ा acne situation भी हो रहा है, and when I travel, by and large, acne flare-ups हो जाते हैं. So I think I'm going to keep today's routine really simple and just use this. Now, this is an AHA BHA serum, right? So I'm going to just apply it as a exfoliant. Like मैं ये सोचूंगी, क्योंकि मैं acne के लिए नहीं लगा रही हूँ, I will just think कि ये मेरा serum है. It's like my lactic acid or whatever else. So I am literally just going to apply it as an exfoliating serum and not so much as an acne spot treatment, because literally ingredients तो हर जगह same ही होते हैं. This has 10% AHA. This also has BHA. So ये थोड़ा सा एक जो acne bump है उसको तो help करेगा ही. But in addition to that, this is just about going to work on everything else. So basically, आज की रात by default हो गई है exfoliation night. So I have exfoliated. Now let's see what I have for eye cream. I'm pretty sure I have the plum eye cream because वो मेरी last time यहाँ रह गई थी. So I'm going to use that. Make way for the plum eye cream, which I had loved so much. I was using it and then I brought it here and I forgot it. So yeah, it's come to use again. I really like this eye cream. I have one peptide serum and this is it, the BioEffect EGF. But क्योंकि अब मैंने लगा लिया है AHA BHA, I cannot use this because ये conflict करेगा. अब basically मैं लगा सकती हूँ moisturizer, and moisturizer के नाम पे मेरे पास ये थोड़ा सा Cicaplast है which I can apply, या मैं actually ताचा का कोई भी sachet जिसमें एक moisturizer है वो लगा सकती हूँ. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I have managed to get the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream out of this. And with that, I think our nighttime skincare routine is complete. As you saw, मैंने double cleanse फिर भी किया. Maybe I did a triple cleanse because I really took that Dove soap and I rub-rolled it on my face, made sure it lathered, and I took off all my makeup. But as you can see, you can still see my kajal. It's still there. वो नहीं हुआ. Even with the Tatcha exfoliating wash, it hasn't gone. I had the option between a tretinoin and like an AHA BHA serum. I chose the AHA BHA serum. This is the end result. Point being, doesn't matter what your situation is, you can always take out time and you can figure out whatever products you have to do a nighttime skincare routine. If you enjoyed this video, do consider liking and subscribing to my channel. I will see you tomorrow with another video, hopefully with all of my skincare routine in, or all of my skincare products in place very soon. Till then, take great care of yourself. Bye.